Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, market update time. We're going to have a look at silver and gold. So silver, well, let's actually start with gold here first. So gold, really nice move to the high side. You can see I was doing a video and you can see that the market actually found a lot of support through here. Big volume to the high side here as well too. Where the stochastics are, you can see the market's really just took off through there. And yeah, I see maybe guys, maybe this is the start of the big move, oh excuse me, to the high side. Maybe we just start to just see just a big move to the high side. So we normally I'm gonna say we normally feel the gap, but that's actually a pretty big gap, isn't it? So maybe it's going to get reversed, but I don't see that. I see that gold obviously came off this support level. It actually ran to the high side, and now we're actually getting a lot more upside. If I show you the line charts of what I'm looking at here, then you can actually see that this market actually held these lows through here, and we've got this big move up. So we want to see this move continue up. If it doesn't, it holds here, then yes, we could actually see a move down in gold, and obviously that's what you don't want. So that's actually what I do see through there. And also silver, you know, most of you guys know that last week I did a video saying, hey, on this day here, which is the first, which was this day right here, it wasn't that day there, it was that day right there. I did a video that day saying I'm buying SLV today, right now. You can go check that out in the archives. And I said that I do believe that we're likely to start seeing some big upward movement from here. I think I was saying that I'm not recommending you buy it, because I'm not going to give you advice on any stock to buy, because I'm not going to do that. But I was just saying that to me, this is what I did, and this is why I did it, and I did a whole thing about that, and I see that silver has a lot more upside to go as well too. And again, if you're looking at the line charts, to me the line chart on silver looks so much more appealing than looking at, if I bring up my lines here, silver to me looks so much more appealing than basically the other stocks, the other metals, which is obviously SLV. Sorry, the other metals, which is gold. So why I say that is because obviously the chart for me, and I said this before, the chart for me is a lot more bullish. Now some people say, John, why do you buy SLV and not like a silver stock or a gold stock? It's just my preference. You know, you can buy stocks and you can do the exact same analysis. And I was looking at some gold stocks, and I actually do have some gold stock on some gold. I actually do have some gold stocks and stuff like that in my portfolio. But they're more of a different strategy than just simply buying calls and buying puts. I've got more of a funkier strategy going on with that. But I do actually have a couple of different gold stocks in my portfolio that are going to benefit from either direction. If the market goes up a lot, then, which I think is going to happen, I'm going to be okay. And if the market crashes for me, I'm still going to do well. So that's the strategy I've got set up on those particular stocks. But silver, I just simply bought call options, and I see this thing just holding here, and then we're getting ready for another big run to the high side. I believe this is a blessing in disguise. Big round bottom. You can see this head and shoulder formation bounced up, and as I said before, so I bought two different types of options. So I just let you guys know that I bought two different types of options here. So let me actually just do this here. So I bought a lot of options. In the money. So I bought a lot of options that expire on January 17 in the money. So they're a lot more safer one. And I bought a lot of options, like 1,000 plus or something like that contracts, just something crazy, way out of the money. So I've got my in the money options as well too, and I've got my way out of the money options. That's the stuff that I did. Again, if the market does go down to 13 and 12 and 12, both of those I will lose on. So I understand that. I'm happy with the risk, but I'm very, very happy with the way that I've set these trades up and the way that I've actually do these trades. Okay, so that's all in all, guys, what I see on silver, see on gold. Bit of an update on what's actually going on with them as well too. You can see obviously silver obviously had a big pop to the high side based on what US dollar did and stuff like that, and then obviously had to do with the announcement and all this comes together. You know what I mean? All this comes together. I did a market update. If you haven't seen it, go see that, where I talked about the charts are showing you what's going on. And I don't know why, guys, but this here was perfect. This here to me was a perfect entry, and I didn't know the market was going to pop up, but guess what? The market came down to the exact right point for me to get in before it popped. And then why did it pop? Well, because an announcement come out. It was like the market was telling me what the announcement was going to be. So it's really, really interesting, guys. When you actually start reading the charts, you can actually see these things. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. This is the silver and gold update. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.